How to remove Apple ID from iPhone. To get started, first of all, go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. You can adjust settings for the screen, sound, wireless connections, etc., and manage your accounts, apps, and notifications to create a personalized user experience. Inside the Settings menu, go to your Apple account which displays your name. This takes you to the Apple account screen. Now, scroll down all the way to the end of the screen to find the Sign Out option. Go ahead and tap on Sign Out at the bottom to begin the process of removing your ID. You will be prompted to enter your Apple account password to turn off Find My iPhone. Type in your password in the provided field, and then tap on Turn Off to proceed. Following these steps, you can easily remove an Apple ID from an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.